Yes, very good morning, students. Yeah, just to have a recap, uh, is it possible to say what we have discussed in the last class? Hima, can you just brief? Yes, Hima.
Sir, line code, sir.
Yeah, we have discussed about line
Spectral
code.
density.
Very good. We have discussed about the power spectral density of all the line codes, right? And is it possible to say what are the properties of a line code? Key properties. I think I told around six properties. Okay, can you mention any one? Properties of a line code. Yes, what about Chandana? Chandana.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, can you mention any two properties of a line code? Properties.
Sir, it has error detection. It can detect errors, sir.
Yeah, very good. So the line codes have error detection and correction capability. Okay, then.
Power is efficiently calculated or used.
Okay, it should have power efficiency. Okay. Okay, then yes, what about Sai Reddy? Mohan Sai Reddy. Yes, Mohan Sai Reddy. Sneha, can you tell some more properties in addition to what Chandana told? She said the two things. One is the line code should have error detection and correction capability, and second one is power efficiency. Yeah. Yes, Sneha. Yes, Manjunath.
Sir,
Manjunath. Can you mention any means other than what Chandana told? The properties of the line codes. Yes, come on, quickly, be fast, man. I think you
sir,
people have not.
bipolar has error detection capability.
That is fine. In general, I am asking what are the properties of a line code? I said 6 points. In that, already one of your friend has told 2 points. I am expecting you people to say other points. Yes, what about Leah? Leah,
Yes, sir.
yeah. Can you mention some of the properties of a line code? Yes, quickly you should unmute and answer. See, if you people killing time like this, then now I will not be having any interaction. Nah? Either you should say you know, or you should say I don't know. So this is what I expect you people to be mentally prepared. See, if you just go through what I have discussed in the last class, definitely you will be able to recall and say few points. Hmm? So with blank mind coming and simply not interacting with the teacher will not help. Yes, what about Noreen?
So the timing content is adequate.
Okay, very good. It should have a, adequate timing content. Then, yes, what about Akshay Kumar?
Sir, what is the question, sir?
Question is properties of a line code. I am expecting you people to tell the properties of a line code.
Sir, the regular characteristics,
Ah,
bandwidth efficiency,
very good. So
like
first and
smaller
foremost
bandwidth
is
it must consume.
yes, yes. So the transmission bandwidth we say that is the first property what I said. Whatever may be the line code, so it should uh, occupy as small as bandwidth. Okay, so because as I said, bandwidth is one of the important resource for a communication engineer. Okay, very
Power
good.
efficiency.
Yeah, second one is the power efficiency. I said fine. Third and already said your friend that is error detection correction capability. Then the fourth one is
Transparency. Transparency.
transparency. Transparency. Very good. Right. Then adequate timing content also said. Then it should have a favorable power spectral density. That is, it is desirable to have a zero power spectral density at f equal to 0. Okay, so these are the key properties of line codes. Okay, in that again I said what are transparent and what are the non-transparent line codes. Yeah. Yes, is it possible to yes, Anand, can you say what is transparent line code? Can you give example? Anand. Yes, Anand is there.
Sir, sir.
Ah, can you say what is
Uh, Sir, transparent line codes
hmm.
will be synchronized at the both transmitter and receiver ends, sir.
Okay, what is
That does not affect the accuracy of timing, sir. Adequacy
okay?
of timing is not affected.
Okay, can you give example?
Uh, for transparent, sir.
Ah,
Unipolar, sir.
no. Polar line code is the example of transparent code because what I said is transparent means so it should be possible to transmit the digital signal correctly regardless of the pattern of ones and zeros. Okay. So in case of polar scheme, we represent 1 by positive pulse and 0 by negative pulse, right? So here there will be no ambiguity. But in some of other line codes, we represent 0 by 0 volts. So if there is a continuous zeros, we have a DC component problem and other things. Okay. Hence we say polar line code is the transparent line code. Then unipolar, okay, and bipolar schemes are known as the non-transparent line codes. Is it clear? Yes, I'm asking, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now let me go with my next topic. Uh, yes, I hope you are able to see the slide. Yes, I'm expecting you to say, are you able to see my slide?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next line code uh, is the actually we call these are scrambling codes. Okay. So basic line codes are what? Unipolar, polar, bipolar, and Manchester. Okay. So these four are the basic line codes. Then uh, other three what we are discussing today are known as the scrambling codes. We say. Okay. In that the first one is high density bipolar signaling. We say. So HDB signaling. We say high density bipolar signaling. So why do we go for this high density bipolar signaling, right? So then what is the problem with the basic line codes, right? So what we understood from the bipolar signaling is bipolar signaling is basically a non-transparent code, right? So what is the problem in that? If I have a continuous zeros, okay, If I have a continuous zeros, then I will be finding the DC component. So to overcome that problem, we go for this high density bipolar signaling. Okay. So I repeat once again, the problem of the bipolar signal, that is what I said, it is a non-transparent, which is eliminated by adding pulses when the number of consecutive zeros exceeds by a value of n. Okay, this value of n, if I take usually 3, then we call this as a HDB3 signaling. Okay, high density bipolar signaling 3, HDB3. Okay, and this high density bipolar scheme is an international telecommunication union standard. It is okay. As I said, in this scheme, we are overcoming the problem of non-transparency in bipolar signaling that will be eliminated by adding pulses when the number of consecutive zeros exceeds value of n. So I said the value of n here, what we are taking is 3. That is why it is called as HDB3 signal. Okay. Hope I am clear. What is high density bipolar signaling? So
Yes,
we are
sir.
adding means the non-transparency problem in the bipolar signaling is eliminated by adding pulses. Okay, when do we add the pulses? When the number of consecutive zeros exceeds n. So what is the value of n? That here it is 3. That is why it is called HDB3 signal. Okay, hope you can note down this data. So here I have taken input digits. Are you able to see this input digits? 0, 1, 0, then 3 ones are there, then 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros are there. Okay, then 1, 0, double 1, 0, 1, then you find out how many zeros are there. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 zeros are there. Then 1, 0, double 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, then 4 zeros, 1. So this is my input data. Okay. So how do I do the HDB coding for this digital data? Okay, as I said, I will be replacing the consecutive zeros. Okay, consecutive zeros when it exceeds the value of n, means here I said n is equal to 3. No, if more than 3 zeros are there consecutively, that means n plus 1 zeros, right, will be replaced by a special pulse known as 000V. Okay, so two things are there here. We are replacing consecutive zeros, okay, of n plus 1 by a special sequence. That special sequences are known as 000V is one, and another one is B00V. Okay, here B is equal to 1 will be it conforms to the bipolar rule. So we all know what is a bipolar rule. Any one of you can say what is bipolar rule? Yes, what is bipolar rule? Means bipolar signaling. How do we represent the bipolar signaling? I'm asking.
So 1 will be positive and for 0 we should represent negative, sir.
No. That is polar. See, 1 will be positive pulse and 0 will be negative pulse for polar, not for bipolar. Yes, any other student? Bipolar.
Sir, if two consecutive ones are there, first will be positive, sir.
Yeah.
Then next one will be a negative half, sir.
Negative pulse. Okay, not negative of negative pulse. That is bipolar return NRZ. If it is returned to 0, yes, it will come back to 0 for half of the bit duration. Okay. So, what is the bipolar rule is, if I have a consecutive ones, I will be representing first one by a positive pulse, next one by a negative pulse. Again, after that, if I find again 1, that will be what? When it is compared to the previous one, if it is a negative, then I will be representing positive pulse. Okay, so positive, negative, like that. Hope you understood.
Yes, sir.
Yes, if bipolar rule is clear, then you will be able to understand this high density bipolar signaling. Okay, because see, this is what the response, at least Anand is telling correctly. Okay, so consecutive ones are represented by positive and negative pulses. Okay, first one will be represented by positive pulse, next one will be represented by negative pulse. Again, if I get a one, that will be represented by positive pulse, then next one will be represented by negative pulse, like that. Okay, and zero will be represented by 0 volts. What I said in case of high density bipolar signaling, that is HDB3, when a number of consecutive zeros exceeds a value of n, means I said here the value of n, I have taken it as 3. So if more than 3 zeros I find in a given data continuously, that is, so 4 zeros I am finding it here, right? So these 4 zeros are replaced by a special sequence. What is that special sequence? So there are two types of special sequence I'm using. One is 000V is a one sequence, and another sequence is B00V. Okay, so B00V, here B is equal to 1 conforms to the bipolar rule. So conforms to the bipolar rule means what? What is there happening in bipolar? First one will be represented by positive pulse, next one will be represented by negative pulse, right? So next one has to be positive pulse. So that is why we say B is equal to 1. Okay, here y indicates, y is equal to 1 indicates it violates the bipolar rule. Okay, y equal to 1 indicates the bipolar rule. Just I will take the laser. Yeah, so here 4 zeros are there now. These 4 zeros I am replacing it by 000V. Okay, so this V is equal to 1 indicates it will be violating the bipolar rule. Okay, it will be violating the bipolar rule. Is that fine? Yes, are you understanding what I am saying? I am replacing 4 zeros by 000V sequence. V is equal to 1 indicates it violates the bipolar rule. See here what is written. See, 0 is there by 0, then 1 is there. I am representing that by positive pulse. Next 0, no pulse. Next 1 is there, right? I am representing by negative pulse. So this is the bipolar, right? So first one I represent by positive pulse. Next one I am representing by negative pulse. Next again 1 is there, so I am representing by positive pulse. Again next 1 is there, that I will be representing by negative pulse. Next, what I found 4 consecutive zeros. Those 4 consecutive zeros, I am replacing it by a special sequence known as 000V. And as I said, V is equal to 1 will be what? That will be violating the bipolar rule. That is why, see here 3 zeros. These 3 zeros will be represented by no pulse. Then this V I am representing by negative pulse. Means, with respect to this bipolar rule, if I am representing V is equal to 1, this has to be a positive pulse, na? Why I am see here I am representing by a negative pulse, means it is violating the bipolar rule. Hope it is clear. Yes, is it clear, or do you have any doubts? At a first level, understand, I am replacing 4 zeros by a special sequence 000V. I said V is equal to 1 will be violating the bipolar rule. Okay, that is why I represented this by a negative pulse. Okay, then 1 0 11 is there. So 1 I will be representing by positive pulse, then 0 by no pulse, then next one will be represented by negative pulse, the next one will be represented by positive pulse, next 0 is there, 0 no pulse, the next 1 is there, negative pulse, right? Then see here what I am finding here, how many zeros are there? 1 2 3 4, then 5 6 7 8, more than 4 zeros are there, right? So first 4 zeros I will be replacing by a special sequence known as B00V. Okay, that B00V, in that B is equal to 1 means it conforms the bipolar rule. That is why here, so conforms the bipolar rule means it will be with the bipolar rule, right? Right? So B00V. That is why I represented this 1 by positive pulse, because here the previous pulse was negative. So next will be positive pulse. Then 0 0 no pulse. Next V here, right? So V will be equal to 1, right? Means it will be violating the bipolar rule. So as per the bipolar rule, this has to be a positive pulse. Now I am indicating that by a positive pulse to indicate that it is violating the bipolar rule, right? The next 4 zeros I am replacing by again B00V. So B is equal to 1, as I said, it will be confirming the bipolar rule. That is why the previous one was with the positive pulse. So next one will be negative pulse. Then 0, 0, then V is equal to 1. I said it will be violating the bipolar rule. So that is why that is represented by negative pulse. So next, rest of the things are as it is. That is 0, 0, no pulse. Then 1 is, so with respect to the previous one, it is negative, right? This has to be positive pulse. Next 0, no pulse. Next 1, negative pulse. Right, with respect to this, it should be negative pulse. The next one, positive pulse. Next 0, no pulse. Next 1 is negative pulse. Then 0, no pulse. Next 1 is positive pulse. Then again here I found 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros, right? So these 4 zeros will be replaced by a special sequence known as 000V, right? So again 000V, here 3 zeros will be represented by no pulse. This V is equal to 1, as I said, it will be violating the bipolar rule. So as per bipolar rule, I should represent here a negative pulse, right? But I am representing it by positive pulse because here it is positive pulse. So to indicate I am inserting that special sequence, I am representing it by positive pulse. So next one is there, that will be represented by negative pulse. So this is how is the HDB3 signaling is. Okay, now you may be having a question, when do I insert 000V and when do I insert B00V, right? Okay, so to understand the choice of the sequence inserting 000V or B00V is made in such a way that the consecutive V pulses, okay, the consecutive V pulses alternate in sign. Okay, the consecutive V pulses alternate signs in order to avoid what I can say the DC Vander and to maintain the DC null in the power spectral density. Hope you are understanding what I am saying. How do I insert these special sequences, right? That choice depends on what? Either inserting 000V or B00V is based on what? Is made in such a way that the consecutive V pulses, okay, alternate signs. See here, I inserted 000V, right? So here it is a negative pulse. Then it will be next will be positive pulse. Next will be negative pulse. Again next year will be positive pulse, right? So these V pulses will be alternate in signs. So with that, I can avoid the DC Vander. I will come to that. What is the DC Vander? And what I can say is to maintain the DC null. Okay, to maintain the DC null in the power spectral density means at f equal to 0, it has a value of power spectral density is 0. So this is what the power spectral density of HDB3 code. Okay, and this is the power spectral density of the bipolar code. Okay. Okay. Let me say in another way, that is the sequence B00V. Okay, B00V be used when there is an even number of ones following the last special sequence. See, when even number of looking at this data, see here I have inserted 000V, right? After that, how many number of ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 4 number of ones are there. So it is a even number. So after the special sequence, if I have a even number of ones, then I will be inserting B00V. Okay, and I will be inserting 000V. Okay, is used when there is an odd number of ones following the last sequence. See, with respect to why I have inserted here 000V. First, let me say about this. Why I have inserted here 000V. Right? So you count from this after the special sequence. How many ones are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones are there, right? So here odd number of ones are there. That is why I am inserting a special sequence as 000V. Then here why I am inserting 000V? After the see here 1 is there. Then here I have 4 ones, 4 1 and here 1. So totally 5 ones, right? So that is why I will be insert because I have odd number of ones. So I am going to insert the special sequence as 000V. Okay, so the sequence B00V is used when there is an even number of ones following the last special sequence. Okay, and the sequence 000V is used when there is an odd number of ones following the last sequence. Okay. So following the last sequence here, I have 3 number of ones. In that way also you can understand. Here 3 number of ones are there. So I need to insert. Next 4 zeros are there, right? I have to replace these 4 zeros by 000V. Then after that, here I am finding the continuous zeros, right? So if you count the number of ones after the special sequence, I am finding it. The number of ones are even, right? I have 4 number of ones. That is why I am replacing that 4 zeros by B00V. Okay. Still, I have 4 number of ones only after the special sequence. That is why again I am replacing that next 4 zeros by B00V. Right. Then after this, I am finding number of ones are odd. That is 5 ones are there. That is why I am replacing these 4 zeros by a special sequence 000V. Right. So I said V is equal to 1 will be violating the bipolar rule, and B is equal to 1 will be conform to the bipolar rule. Hope is this clear? This concept is very important. And how do we? I have taken a good example, a sufficient number of bits, and I'm saying how do we insert the special sequences, so which will be overcoming the problem of DC Van Der, and as well as it can maintain the DC null in the power spectral density. That is, at f equal to 0, its value is 0. Yes, have you understood? Yes, my dear student, should respond. Have you understood? Or you want me to repeat once again? Yes, do you have any questions to ask? Say yes or no, no. What is this? All taking breakfast or what?
No, sir.
Then should respond, no? Is it understood, or do you have still doubts? If you have doubts, people can ask, no? Otherwise, you should be able to say from your end, yes, it is clear. So I understand if no response means nothing has gone. Is it so?
So can you take one more example?
Yeah, this is one example I said. I will repeat once again. I will take up next one also. I have. Okay. I said, see, this is my digital data, right? So looking at this digital data, what I said, since bipolar signaling is a non-transparent code, right? We are overcoming that problem by adding a special pulses, right? When the number of consecutive zeros exceeds the value of n. Here the value of n I have taken it as 3. That is why it is called HDB3 signaling, right? So bipolar signaling, how do I code it? So 0 will be represented by no pulse, 1 will be represented by positive pulse. So like that I am coding it here, right? Hope this point is clear till this. First 0, no pulse, next one positive pulse, next one 0, no pulse, next one has to be what? Negative pulse, na? Because it's a bipolar, right? So next one will be positive pulse, next one will be negative pulse. Okay. Now here see what, how many zeros I'm finding? 4 zeros I'm finding, right? So these 4 zeros will be replaced by a special sequence of what? 000V. Why I am replacing these 4 zeros by 000V? Because I am finding from here odd number of ones. Okay. From the last sequence means this one, right? I am finding here odd number of ones. If there is an odd number of ones, I have to replace. After that, if I have a consecutive zeros, right, of n plus 1, then I need to replace those 4 zeros by a special sequence called 000V. Here I said V is equal to 1 will be what? Violating the bipolar rule. So I replaced these 4 zeros by 000V. And how do I code that? So 3 zeros by no pulse, right? Then V is equal to 1. Actually, it should be positive pulse, right? If I say V equal to 1, it should be a positive pulse, but I am here representing it by a negative pulse to indicate that it is violating the bipolar rule, because the previous one here represented by negative pulse, right? The next one has to be a bipolar. In case of bipolar, it should be a positive pulse, but to indicate that I have inserted a special sequence, and at this point it is violating that bipolar rule. Okay, so that is why it is represented by negative pulse. Hope this point is clear. 000V and V equal to 1 will be violating the bipolar rule, which I represent by negative pulse. Yes, is it clear? I'm asking.
Yes, sir.
With respect to the previous, see here, it is a negative pulse, right? As per bipolar coding, next one has to be positive pulse. If I'm representing V is equal to 1, but I am representing it by a negative pulse just to indicate that it is violating the bipolar rule and to identify that yes, there is an special sequence inserted at this point of time. Okay, this is fine, I feel. Okay, next, what is there? 101101 is there, right? So I will be representing this one again by bipolar rule. What is that bipolar rule? See, the previous pulse is negative, right? So next one has to be a positive pulse. That is I represent by positive pulse here. Next 0, no pulse. Next one has to be a negative pulse because the previous one was positive pulse. So next one by a positive pulse. Next 0, no pulse. Next one, negative pulse. Okay. Okay. After this point, see here I am finding more than 3 zeros consecutive, right? So first n plus 1 means 3 plus 1, 4 zeros. I will be replacing by a special sequence called B00V. Why I am replacing these here 4 zeros by B00V? Because after the special sequence, I am finding the number of ones are even. Okay, so I counted here 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 number of ones are there. If number of ones are even, then I have to insert a special sequence as B00V. Okay, so here B is equal to 1 means it confirms the bipolar rule. Okay, that is why, see here 1 is there, right? I represent this by negative pulse. Next one has to be represented by a positive pulse, means it is with the bipolar rule. Okay, then 2 zeros, no pulse. Next V is 1, right? So B00V, I said V is 1. V is 1 means it has to violate, right? So previous one was positive pulse, right? To indicate it is violating that bipolar rule, I have to represent this by a positive pulse. Hope this is clear. Here I represent by negative pulse because the previous one was negative. To indicate it is violating the rule, I have to represent by negative pulse. Here I am representing it by a positive pulse to indicate that it is violating the bipolar rule with respect to the previous one because the previous one was positive pulse. Hope this is clear. Yes, is this point is clear? Okay. Next again, see after 4 zeros, again I am finding some more zeros, right? So again those 4 zeros will be replaced by B00V because just following the special sequence, I have even number of ones only, right? That is why I represented by B00V. So here B is equal to 1. No? So this B is equal to 1 indicates what? It confirms the bipolar rule. That is why, so previous V is 1, right? So it is a positive pulse. So next one has to be a negative pulse. Then 2 zeros, no pulse. Then V, right? V is 1. So actually it should be a positive pulse. But why I am referring with a negative pulse? To indicate it is violating the bipolar rule. So previous one was negative pulse. So this has to be a negative pulse. Okay. This pulse is negative, right? If it is negative, then only I can say it is violating the bipolar rule. Hope this point is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Then, yes, Kanda.
No, sir. I said I understood.
Okay. Then 2 zeros are there, so no pulse. Then 1. So it has to be positive pulse, no? Because the previous one was negative pulse. So positive pulse, then 0, no pulse. Then next one is negative pulse because the previous one is positive. So next one is positive pulse, then 0, no pulse. Then 1 has to be negative pulse because previous one was positive pulse. Next 0, no pulse. So next one, positive pulse. Again, I found here 4 zeros, right? So after the special sequence, I'm counting here how many number of ones are there. Say when I counted, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 number of ones are there. So I have to replace these 4 zeros by 000V, right? So that is the rule. So when odd number of ones are there, following the special sequence, we have to insert 000V. Okay, so that is why I am replacing these 4 zeros by 000V. So 3 zeros by no pulse, then V is equal to 1. So it has to indicating that it will violating the bipolar rule. No? So when I have to represent this by positive pulse because the previous here 1 I am representing by positive pulse, right? If I represent that by positive pulse, then I can say it is violating the bipolar rule. Okay. Then 1 is there, so I'm representing that by negative pulse. Okay. So with respect to the previous one. So this is what the HDB3 line coding is, or HDB3 signaling is. Hope I conveyed, understood to certain extent, or still you have any doubts? I repeat once again, when do I insert B00V? Okay. When I insert B00V, the special sequence B00V is used when there is an even number of ones following the last special sequence. Okay. Then the sequence 000V is used when there is an odd number of ones following the last sequence. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I think the same example or different one, I think. Hope slide is changed, no?
No, sir.
It is in the previous slide only.
Yes, sir.
1 minute. Yeah, now. Yes, now the slide is changed, right?
Yes, sir.
I am with another example. Yeah. See here, the timing information is preserved by embedding it in the line signal even when long sequence of zeros are transmitted, right? So that will allow the clock to be recovered properly on reception. Just I am telling the advantage of this HDB3. I said the DC component of the signal that is coded in HDB3 will be null. Okay. So take another. So this is another example. I hope when compared to the previous one, it is a different data, right? So 1 0 1, then 4 zeros are there, right? Then double 1, then how many zeros are there? Just have a look. Just note down this. Yeah, here 4, then again 4. 8 zeros are there. Then 1 0 is there. Okay. As per bipolar, so first one I will be representing by positive pulse, right? Next 0, no pulse. Next one by negative pulse. Is this clear? Yeah. Then see next how many zeros are there? 4 zeros are there. Okay. So these 4 zeros will be replaced by what? 000V. Okay. So 000V, that is why, so 000 will be at the 0th level. Then V is equal to 1, right? Yes or no? So V is equal to 0, V is equal to 1 indicates it will be violating the bipolar rule. So this the previous one was negative pulse, right? So to indicate it is violating the bipolar rule, this V has to be a negative pulse. Okay. So then next is what? 1 1 is there. So next one has to be a positive pulse. So next one negative pulse as per bipolar rule. So okay. Next, how many zeros are there? I have these 4 zeros, no? So these 4 zeros are replaced by B00V because after this special sequence, right? I have 2 number of ones, so which is even number of ones, right? That is why I am replacing these 4 zeros by B00V. Okay, so B is equal to 1. I said it will be confirm the bipolar rule. So the previous bit was 1, which is represented by negative pulse. So next B is 1, no? So it is represented by positive pulse. Then 2 zeros, it is at 0th level. Then V is equal to 1, right? It is indicating violating the bipolar rule. So the here it is 1, no? It has to be again positive pulse. Then I can say it is violating the bipolar rule, right? Again, I have 4 more zeros. So again, these 4 more zeros are replaced by B00V, right? So I said here B is 1. What? It continues with the bipolar rule. So the previous bit was positive pulse. So next it has to be negative pulse, right? Then 2 zeros, no pulse. Then here V is 1. It has to be a negative pulse to indicate that it is violating the bipolar rule because this one is a negative pulse, right? So next one is positive, then 0. Hope this point is clear, this example. Or still do you have any doubts?
Clear, sir.
Is it clear? Shall I go ahead?
Yes.
Please note down or take the print screen of this. So examples, I can after the class in the leisure time or in the evening time you can relook. Still, if you have doubts, I can clear. So it should be there in your mind. When do I insert 000V and when do I insert B00V? Right. So 000V will be inserting when odd number of ones are there. Okay, following the last sequence. And B00V I am inserting when even number of ones I'm finding in the last special sequence. Okay, so one more example. I think I will skip this. I think I will take up the next one. Yeah. Just say, I think, what you don't worry about the notations. Just take the data. See, double one. So first one will be represented by positive pulse.
So the
Okay,
slide
next
didn't
one
change.
negative pulse. Right? Oh, slide didn't change. Okay. Is it fine?
Yes.
Yeah. See here, how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8 zeros. No? So this long sequence of zeros. Okay, I will be replacing. Okay, these 4 zeros will be replaced by 000V. Then next B00V. Okay, then as I said, V indicates violating the bipolar rule. With respect to that, so the previous one here was negative pulse. Again, this has to be a negative pulse. Then B is equal to 1, it confirms the bipolar rule. That is why it is positive pulse. Then V is equal to 1 violates the bipolar rule. That is why with positive pulse. Right. So next 1 is there. So it is a negative pulse, then positive pulse. Then here two number of ones, right? That is even number of ones. That is why I am replacing this next by B00V. Right? These 4 zeros replaced by B00V. So B is equal to 1 is continue with the bipolar rule. That is why I am representing by negative pulse because the previous pulse was 1. Then 0, then V has to V is equal to 1 means violating the bipolar rule. So here it is negative pulse. This has to be a negative pulse. Then 0, then plus 1, then 0.
So, but how did you take the first one to be 000V? That has
Yeah,
positive number of ones, no?
yeah. If you think in this way, here yes, I have 2 ones, right? You have 2 ones. You feel that need to be taken as B00V, right?
Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, here it is written SDB. See, odd number of ones since last substitution. Odd number of ones since last substitution. So last substitution means if you look at this complete data, so this is the last substitution here, right? B00V. After this, you count here 0, 1, 0 is there. This one will also be counted with this, right? To begin. So this one and here 2 ones. So 3 ones are there. That is why I am inserting 000V here. By taking, see this, hope you understood my point.
No, sir.
Not just by looking at the beginning of number of ones. See, if you consider the entire number of bits, right? So you will think, okay, here these 4 zeros has to be replaced by some special sequence. Then again 4 zeros will be replaced by another special sequence. Then here we are finding even number of ones, right? Then after even number of ones, again I have zeros. That zeros will be replaced by a special sequence, right? Then what is left out here? 0 is there. Next 1 is there. Next 0 is there. So this will be in loop, no? So this one means after the special sequence, right? Last special sequence is what B00V. After this, see 0, 1, 0 will come back again here, right? So if I think in that way, here 1 is there. Again here 2 more ones are there. So it is odd number of ones. See, the sequence 000V is used when there is an odd number of ones following the last sequence. So last sequence is that don't think that it's starting from this point only. After you have to think about the entire length of the digits, right? So with respect to that, that is why I replaced here 000V as a first this one. Then B00V, then even number of ones, yes, B00V, then it goes like that. Or if you are confused with this, or is it clear?
Got it, sir.
Got it. Yeah, next one is bipolar. Yeah, next one is bipolar 8-0 substitution, we say. There is another name is also binary with 8-0 substitution, also we call binary with 8-0 substitution, that is known as B8ZS. So we can think this B as binary or bipolar. Okay. So why do we go for this? Okay. Yeah. Here, see, binary with 8-0 substitution signaling. In general, we call this as a BNZS. Okay. The value of N. Sorry. Okay. So here, this 8 is there now. 8 is replaced by, I think, N. You can write N. Okay. So the value of N is here 8 taken. Okay. The value of N can be 3 also. The value of N can be 6 also. So we are discussing about B8ZS, B3ZS, and B6ZS. So these are the three different signaling we are discussing. So first one I have taken it as B8ZS. Okay. So in general, what we call BNZS. The value of N will be 3, 6, 8. Okay. So bipolar or binary with 8-0 substitutions means if I have a sequence, okay, whereas if I find 8 consecutive zeros, those 8 consecutive zeros will be replaced by a special sequence. Okay, that special sequence is known as 000 VB 0 VB. Please have a note of this. I think I am not that comfort in writing. Okay, so here 8 zeros are there, right? 1, 2, 4, 6, 8. Total 9 zeros are there. So these 8 zeros are replaced by a special sequence. That special sequence is known as what? 000 VB and 0 VB. Okay, so 000 VB, then 0 VB I said, right? Okay, so what is the 000 VB and 0 VB? Already I said V indicates violates the bipolar rule. B will be conform with the bipolar rule. Okay, fine. So 8 zeros will be replaced by what special sequence I said? 000 VB 0 VB, right? So I am just showing the B8ZS coded signal. Okay, so first bit is 1, so I represent with positive pulse, right? I said next 8 zeros. In that 8 zeros will be replaced by what I said? 000 V, right? So this 0, this 0, this 0, no pulse, so it is a 0 line. The next will be what? V, right? This has to be V. So it is violation, no? So with respect to violating means it has to be a positive pulse. Hope you're understanding. Because here 1 is positive pulse. To indicate V is equal to 1, it has to be a positive pulse. Then what? 000 V, right? Then B0 VB. B0, B is equal to 1 means it is following the bipolar rule. So B is 1 here. So previous bit is positive pulse, this has to be a negative pulse. Then 0, it is at 0 level. Then V is equal to 1. Okay. So V is equal to 1. Here it has to be a negative pulse because this is 1, right? So it has to indicate that it is a violating. Next B. So B is 1 because it is follow the bipolar rule. So the result is 1. Okay, next is 0, 1 is there. So 0, 1. I said the 8 zeros will be replaced by what? What sequence? Anyone can say? It is written here 0, 0, 0. It is V. Okay. I will just indicate here. So already it is mentioned. So it is a violation. Okay. So this is V. Okay. 3 zeros you can write 000 V. Then this will be B. Sorry. Yeah. So this will be B. Okay. So 000. Let me write the sequence. This is 0 and this is 0 and this is also 0. Okay. 000 V B. Then what I said? 0 VB. 0 VB. Okay. So I am replacing 8 zeros by a special sequence called what? 000 VB 0 VB. Okay. Yes. Is it clear? Here this is my data. Okay. This is my input signal. So I have to replace these 8 zeros by a special sequence called what I said? 000 VB 0 VB. So V is equal to 1 indicates it is violating the bipolar rule, right? So to begin with this, I said first one is 1. I referred with the positive pulse. Next 3 zeros at 0th level. Then V is equal to 1 here, right? So to indicate it is violating the rule, it has to be a positive pulse with respect to this bit. Then B is equal to 1 means it is confirmed with the bipolar rule. So with respect to the previous bit is 1, right? So it has to be a negative pulse. Then 0 at 0th level. Then V, that is for violation, right? Violating the bipolar rule. So this has to be a negative pulse because the previous bit, this 1, B is equal to 1 will be a negative pulse. Then B. So this is 1 means it has to be a positive pulse. Okay. Then 0, then 1 is there. This has to be a negative pulse. Yes, is this clear? Yes, my dear student should respond. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
So what is the special sequence I said? The special sequence is 000 VB 0 VB. Okay. So please have a note of that special sequence. Okay. Is what? 000 VB 0 VB is a special sequence. Okay, so it adds a synchronization for long strings of zeros, right? And so it is used in North America, okay, and used in DS1 signaling also. Okay, so let me, I think, yeah.
Is it the same sequence in all the cases, or is it different, sir? Like HDB3, is it different, sir?
Yeah, HDB3 is different. See, there in HDB3 signaling, HDB3, okay, means 4 zeros are replaced by those two special sequences. There is 000V, then another is B00V.
Sir, I meant like HDB3 depending on the odd number of ones and even number of ones, the special sequence is the same, sir. Here, is it the same, or here also is there?
No, here there is no odd and even. Okay, when I have more than 8 zeros, right, those 8 zeros will be replaced by a special sequence called 000 VB 0 VB. That's all.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so the aim is to eliminate a long sequence of zeros. So with that, we can eliminate the DC component. So there will be transitions in the data. Okay. So this is about the B8 ZS. So let me discuss B3 ZS and B6 ZS, I think, in the next class. Is that fine? Yeah, I think